Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Rebecca's Stew and the Crew. I'm Rebecca and today we have a new Dollar Tree video for y'all to see what's new and what's been restocked this week at your local Dollar Tree. We're located in DFW. I went to 3 stores and this is for November the 5th, 2024. Combined all the pictures into one video. So let's go shopping and see what's new. First in apparel and accessories, we have more of the novelty socks. We have 2 different versions of Spider-Man. There's Spider-Man and Venom. And then they also have Deadpool. So that is the Marvel Deadpool. You can see the picture there on the front. These are light crew socks. That's about the height that they'll go up to. There's also a few different versions of Barbie. We have these two, and then also the fluffy Barbie socks with the black, white, and pink. Then they had some of the cup of noodle socks and the bright orange with the noodles down on the toe. They're kind of cute. They had a couple pairs of those. I have some new cross belt bags. So these are a couple different colors with the zipper. They have the red, black, and gray. They have the adjustable belt with the clip. And if you haven't found those yet, they should be in stores soon. They also had some with the breast cancer awareness ribbon, which were new this week. And now we'll move over into the arts and crafts. So over in arts and crafts, they have more of these acrylic boards. I have a craft coming this week. That's so exciting. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So make sure you check out that video on Thursday. And these come in 3 different sizes, the 4x6, 5x7, and 8x10. We've also got these LED photo clip string lights. You get 10 lights with the clips for just $1.25. And some new assorted wood shapes. So the only ones I saw were these flowers, but they're about 1/4 of an inch thick. And you get quite a few in the packet. There's some new rolls of fabric. We have this really pretty pastel plaid. Has like pink, yellow, orange, and green. There's also this light pink with the white pattern throughout. There's a blue one that matches. Then we have this orange with the white checkerboard pattern throughout. We've also got the gingham in the white and blue. And then this plaid pattern also in the pastels. They had more of those resin silicone molds. They put a whole bunch of these out. There's a couple different packs that you can buy with all different shapes. You can make like charms, earrings, puzzle pieces, lots of different options there. Then I found more of these rotary cutters, but they now have them in 2 different sizes. So this is the smaller one. It's 28 millimeters with the quick change blade. Here's what it looks like from the side. You can see the top's a little bit smaller, or you can get the larger one, which is the 45 millimeters. So I found these both at the same store. Now over in the baby and toddler section, there's not a whole lot new. They've got some restock items like these travel chimes, which are perfect for strollers and car seats. They jingle and make a crinkling noise with the Velcro strap to help entertain your little ones. There's 2 of those. They also have this ABC book. It's a cloth book with the crinkle sound paper and some of these first teether rattles. These are really cute. They have like a silicone teether around the outside edge and then the rattle with the little animal there. We have some new 4-in-1 tear-free baby shampoo called Rose Water. Then over in the health and beauty, we'll start with the cosmetics first this week. There are more of these packs of the Natural Knockout Bella J blush and eyeshadow kit. You get 4 different colors of the blush in this heart shape, and then there's 6 different colors of the shimmer eyeshadow. I also found these clean color megawatts eyeshadow palettes. You can see you get quite a few different colors. There's maybe 12 colors there. And then they had a bunch of the LA Colors multi-dimensional eyeshadows. They have that blue-green kit. This is like purple and pink. This has a little bit of the copper and the brown shades. Then you've got the rose gold with the shimmer gold. And then there's some of the matte. Also, this cosmetic illuminator. You can see that they had like a pink shimmer to it, and they had a bunch of bottles of those, and they're all in that pink packaging. I also found some more of the LA Colors brow wax. This is the clear. They started to put these out about a month or so ago. I haven't seen them since. So this is the first time that they've restocked it. You can also get the brow brush, which is double-sided with the spoolie and the angled brush on the other side. Or you can get the brow soap, which sculpts the eyebrow with a feathery look. Now we'll look to see what's new in the hair care. So for this week in the hair care, we have some of the claw clips. This is the circular one. You've got that light tan. They also have it in this very soft pink color. They had the 2-pack of the roses. And then this 2-pack of the rectangular pieces, it's the dark brown and the blue. And then they have the light brown and a darker brown. They also had more of the butterfly claw clips in the two-tone color and more barrettes with the kitty cats and the checkerboard pattern. Those are those alligator clip style barrettes. So that's a 3-pack. We also have these claw clips, which are the smiley faces. You get 3 of them. They have the blue, pink, and purple in that kit. And those are about a medium size. Then you can get the smaller ones. You get 2 of each color. Then these are barrettes here with the smiley faces with the black and white color scheme. They also had the pearl with the purple color scheme. So lots of different smiley face hair clips and claw clips. For pharmacy and personal care, they have more of this Power Stick Active Sport Anti-Shave Body Cream Glide with the aloe vera in a 4 fluid ounce bottle. The Be Pure Gold Shimmer Body Wash in the gold, pink, and blue. And you can see these all have a little bit of a light shimmer glitter in each one. The Global Beauty Care, these are the exfoliating facial polish. They have the glowing facial moisturizer and the strawberry. And then there's the papaya citric acid. We also have some of the Global Body fresh and fruity kiwi and noric acid. Then these come in a 3-pack. It's the Spothecary brand that is called Rose Champagne. You can get the Rose Champagne Wishes, which is a body scrub. It comes in this little container here, and they're all with this light pink with a little bit of a shimmer. There's the Rose Champagne Body Wash and Bubble Bath, which is the raspberry scent. And then they also have the Fragrant Mister, which is just like the body spray. That's also the raspberry. For the fun finds this week, we found these adorable pens. They have balloon animals at the top, and you can get them in 4 different colors. There's blue, green, red, and orange. And the pen itself is a rainbow pattern. It's kind of different for each one. They also had these pens with the disco balls at the top, which were really fun. And they are silver all the way down to the bottom. They brought back these USB mini vacuum cleaners. I actually have these. I use it to clean my desk off or glitter. When I'm doing crafting, they work quite well. Over in the home decor, we have some new canister scented candles. Those are the 3 ounce. There's the vanilla. It has this light tan color on the outside of the container. Eucalyptus has the light green and white. There's the crimson cranberry that has the dark red with a little bit of pale pink color on the outside. And there's also fresh linen. That was the white with the light gray speckle pattern. And the candle inside is white. I also found these new wall mirrors. They come in 3 different colors. They have the silver, the gold, or the black trim. And if you flip them over, they have the hanger already attached. Also, I found these fun new mushrooms with the velour top. They have them in, or the velvety style top. They have them in brown and in green. For the home office, library, and teaching tree section, we have a bunch of these teaching tree stickers. You get 20 pieces of the glitter stickers. We have the smiley faces and the daisies. A bunch of different sticker packs with the unicorns. There's dinosaurs, rainbows, some outer space. Obviously, the different dinosaurs with the volcanoes and dinosaur eggs. Then we've got the smiley faces, some ice cream cones, and different sweet treats. Crown Jewels has out these advanced color by number coloring books. You get 16 ocean images. They had a few different books, but each one in this book is the ocean images with the color by number, and a bunch of the mailers for Christmas. They have them in the Christmas colors. And Housewares, Home Maintenance, Storage, and Organization. They have a bunch of these Nordic Air products. So there's the laundry detergent sheets. So these are to replace like the traditional laundry detergent. You get 15 sheets, which equals 15 loads. They also have some fragrant booster scents. They had, those are like those little drop-ins. It has essential oils for the wash. They have the fabric rinse refresher. Then I found the Pine Sol shower squeegees, which were new. And those are a little bit smaller than the ones that they traditionally carry. Over in the kitchen and pantry section this week, they had a bunch of these takeaway containers or reusable, one-time use foil pans. They have a bunch of them in the Christmas colors like green, red, and gold. A whole bunch of these soup mugs. These are the ceramic soup mugs in the red, gray, and white. And then we've got a whole bunch of these SureFresh containers with the vented lids. This one is the rectangular pattern with the vented lid. These all have the black or light gray lids. Usually they're in a really bright orange. It's nice to see they came out with a more neutral color, and more of these glass cups with the snap-on lid and the straw. The lid and the straw themselves obviously are plastic, but the glasses are traditional, just glass. And they come in 3 different colors, as you can see here. Just want to make sure you guys know that those are glass, they're not plastic. Also, I found these new bottle cleaner tabs. You get 12 tablets to help clean your water bottles, coffee mugs, and tumblers. Over in the party supplies this week, they have these new 4-foot balloon tails. So you put these on the end of the balloon, like the balloon strings. They say happy birthday, and they're in this shimmer pattern or color scheme. They have like red, yellow, blue, and gold, or you can get the little dots that go down the balloon string. So those are cute to dress up your birthday balloons with. They also have a bunch of these boxes out in red, gold, silver, and blue. There's 5 different ones. That's because they're 5 different sizes, but they're all the same color for each of the 4 colors. Then we have these pet cleansing wipes in the pet care section. Also, these Greenbrier Kennel Club fleece pet scarves, the checkerboard pattern, a bunch of plaid. This is like the orange, yellow, and blue with the blue tassels, the light blue and tan with the brown tassels, and then they had the green and red, and that has the red tassels down at the bottom. The seasonal items this week that I found that were new were the clay ornaments. We've got the elves. There's also the gnome with the Christmas angel. And then they had these ornaments that were covered with the fabric to make them look like they're a sweater. They have a couple different ones out. You can see they're the red, black, and white color scheme, but there's a couple different patterns for each one. They also had some covered in burlap with the velvet deer on the outside. They brought back these light tan and gold ornaments. Also, these extra large tags. We have Merry Christmas with Santa, Let It Snow with the snowman. Has a little bow up there at the top. They also have the gnome that says Season's Greetings. This ornament with the round wood beads and the Christmas tree in the center with the monogram letter. They come in red and white or black and white. Then they had a whole bunch of these red and white ornaments, which is a really popular color scheme this year. Lots of trees and color schemes are in that red and white. We have some of these Christmas farmhouse ornaments. It's a metal gift tag with the deer that says joy with the red and black buffalo plaid. Also, they have the small Christmas sacks. These are also ornaments. I believe there's 3 different ones that you can choose from. These are the same ones they had out last year, if you recall. Then we've got these fabric placemats. They have the red plaid or the green with the red. And again, those are the fabric placemats. They also had some new dish sets out. We've got the holly leaves with the red border for the bowl. It says Happy Holidays in the middle. The coffee mugs that say Happy Holidays with the wreath on the outside. There is the dish drying mat, the towels, and oven mitts and placemats. And the hot pad holders. There's the large dinner plates. They also have salad plates. Those say the Happy Holidays in the center. Or you can get this color scheme with the red, green, and white plaid. They have the dinner plates, salad plates, bowls, cups, coffee mugs. And then my favorite is the white and green with the Christmas tree. So you can get the plates. They have the coffee mugs and the placemats that say love, peace, and joy. There's also the hot pad holders, the oven mitt, and the Christmas towels. And again, here's the salad plate. They have the dinner plates and the charger plates. They have the silver with the snowflakes and then the bright red. They also found these mercury glass votives. They have them in 3 different colors. We have the red, and here's a view of the inside here. So you kind of get a better idea of the sizing. I put it on one of those little cardinal trays that they have out right now that I showed you guys last week. There's also the votive in the gold and silver. These are stocking holders. There's a snowman, a penguin, and there's also Santa. We have these fabric Christmas trees on a dowel rod with a little stand, and there are 3 or 4 different color patterns that you can get for the fabric. They also had these solar power lights, the stake lights with the large Christmas lights in green, yellow, red, and blue, or you can get the ones that hang on the tree. They're a little bit bigger than the solar powered lights that you put for the stakes in the yard. Then the toys and games this week, lots of these little miniature Barbies, which would be great, I think, for those small like shoebox things that people do for Christmas. I think this would be really great because they'll fit in the shoe boxes quite easily. There's a few different Barbies that you can choose from as well. Lots of different ethnicities and body shapes and sizes, which is nice to see. They had quite a bit of them. Those are the small, like hard plastic, so they're not posable, but they're really cute. And I think little ones would have fun playing with those. Of course, it's for ages 3 and above. There's also these small horse play sets. You get like a brush, there's a bucket, there's a little rake for raking and things like that and taking care of your horse. Over in the Dollar Tree Plus section, we have these LED neon cup holders with wireless accent. It says 7 colors and 3 light modes. You get 2 in a pack. Then they have these bling car seat hooks. You get a 2-pack for $3. The LED microphones, those are $5. We have the Glee Kids headphones with volume limiting control. They had them in the blue and in the pink. Those are both $5 and they're a little bit smaller for smaller kids. Or you can get these Pro Erics, which are premium noise isolating wireless headphones, which will connect through Bluetooth for just $5. I also found these large jumbo creativity sets. It's over 500 pieces. It says you can build your own scene. And they have some magic reveal pages with the magic reveal marker. They also have some activity pads and stickers. There are some glitter posters. And if you look on the back, it'll show you all of the different items that you get. They even have some like paper dolls for this scene. Then you can get that same jumbo activity set in the Jurassic World and in the Ninja Turtles. Then I found the 3-pack of slouch socks, which are coming back in style. They have this pack with the gray and black, or you can get the 3-pack of the white for just $3. I also found this vintage countdown to Christmas. I thought this was so cute with the little reindeer, and it says days till Christmas. Those were just $3. We have these silicone oven mitts, and they have quite a few different ones. This one says Merry Christmas and has the red oven mitt for $3. There's also the green with the poinsettia, the blue. This one says Merry Christmas. It has a gnome and Santa's sled, and that's that light teal blue color. You can get the red with the gingerbread man. It says making spirits bright. There's a Christmas apron that looks like Santa. And there's also the elf apron. Those are 30 by 20 inches. I love these little Christmas tree water containers or beverage containers. They come in white, red, or green. Then we have the little shelf critters. They're Santa in the white and gray and the red and black. Or you can also get them in the snowman. These are the large standing Santas for $5 and the $3 stockings. These are so pretty. They're quite large. They are 21 inches and they're only $3. You can get the red with the white topper. They have the dark hunter green. You can also get it in gray or in the white. And they're a really nice large stocking for just $3. A very nice quality. Also, they have these plush in a mug. There are 3 of them, the Santa, the Snowman, and the Gingerbread Man for just $3, and this extra large sign for $5 that says family-owned Christmas trees. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. I hope you all have a lovely week, and I will see you back here on Thursday for our craft video and Friday for our next Dollar Tree video. Thanks so much. I'll see you then.